Welcome to everyone. I am Kadal Amudam from Solar Power System, Chennai, India. This short video will explain Beehive, our workhorse for IoT. This is a hardware platform for IoT. We at Solans christened it as Beehive. We all know how a bee collects honey and puts on its hive. Similarly, this IoT hardware collects data and saves in a FTP server. The features of the Beehive are as follows. It can measure 8 analog inputs and 8 digital inputs. These digital inputs can also be used as outputs to control the environment. It has one RS-232 port to take input from any other device or send data to any other device through wires. All the 8 analog inputs have a non-inverting amplifier for signal conditioning. The gain of the non-inverting amplifier can be modified by changing the appropriate resistors. There is a protection circuit for all the inputs to remove any spikes from the connector sensors and safeguard the unit. All the 8 analog channels are also capable of measuring current too. For example, it is easy to handle 4 to 20 mA current loops, which are found widely in an industrial environment. Beehive contains a GSM GPRS module. This module is kept in a separate PCB so that the RF circuit is isolated physically from digital circuits. A SIM card is used to establish the communication between Beehive and any FTP server. Once the communication is established, Beehive will start sending parameters it has measured using the analog and digital inputs. These parameters are saved in a file. An MQTT client installed in the same FTP server can read these inputs from these files and give the input to the MQTT broker. The microcontroller is from 8-bit leaders of microchip. The communication unit is from Quectel, China. All the components are sourced from authorized dealers to ensure reliability and trouble-free operations. We are ready to participate with you in any of the IoT projects and make your IoT dream come true. Thank you for watching.